8 hours in a chair does more damage than most workouts can undo. Hips lock up, shoulders roll forward, and your spine slowly molds into the shape of your desk. That's what I call desk body. And it's the reason so many people feel tight, sore, and weak, even if they exercise. The good news is that you can reverse it. Today, I'll show you 5 simple calisthenics moves that rebuild your posture, wake up your glutes, and make your body feel strong again. Your body learns whatever you repeat. Hours at a desk teach your hips to stay tight and your shoulders to round forward. Then you train on top of those patterns and wonder why nothing changes. To reverse this, we start by reopening the upper back with a simple move, wall slides. But before I show you the first move, drop a comment. How many hours do you usually sit in a day? Let's get a real picture of what we're all dealing with. Move 1, wall slides. This reopens the upper back and restores shoulder movement. Stand against the wall, press your lower back flat, and slowly slide your arms up and down like you're making a snow angel. Don't let your ribs flare. Do 2 sets of at least 10 reps. You'll feel your upper back muscles waking up immediately. Move to glute bridge. Sitting all day literally shuts your glutes off. The bridge turns them back on. Lie on your back, feet close to your hips. Push through your heels and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line. At the top, squeeze your glutes as if you're trying to crack a walnut. Hold for a second at the top, then lower slowly. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. This is the foundation for hip strength and protecting your lower back. Move 3, scapular push-ups. Desk shoulders love to shrug and roll forward. Scapular push-ups teach control. Get into a plank. Keep elbows straight and only move your shoulder blades. Squeeze them together, then push the floor away. Do 2 sets of 10 to 15 reps. This builds the foundation for healthy push-ups and pain-free pressing. Move 4, couch stretch. Your chair shortens the front of your hips all day. The couch stretch opens them back up. Place 1 foot on a chair or sofa behind you, other leg forward in a lunge. Squeeze your glute and keep your ribs down. Hold 30 seconds per side. This single stretch can change how your squat and your lower back feel instantly. Move 5, cat-cow flow. Your spine spends all day frozen in one position. The cat-cow breaks that by moving it through its full range. On all fours, arch your back and look up. Then round your spine and tuck your chin. Move slowly, 6 to 8 reps. This simple flow recharges your spine, resets your posture, and leaves your whole body feeling lighter. It takes for about 10 minutes total. Do this at the end of your workday or before your workout, and you'll feel like you switched bodies. Here's my challenge. Do this routine every day for the next 2 weeks. Notice how your posture changes, how your workouts feel stronger, and how much lighter your lower back feels once your glutes start pulling their weight again. Most people let their job shape their body. You can reverse it in minutes a day. Fixing desk body is step 1, but there's still a bigger mistake almost everyone makes that keeps them weak. I break it down in the next video. Click it now before you fall into the same trap. 8 hours in a chair does more damage than most workouts can undo. Day after day, your hips slowly lock up, your shoulders roll forward, and your spine begins to mold itself into the shape of your desk. You don't notice it happening at first because it's gradual. One day you stand up and feel stiff. Another day your lower back feels tight for no clear reason. Over time, moving freely starts to feel unfamiliar. This is what I call desk body, and it's one of the most common reasons people feel sore, weak, and limited even when they exercise regularly. Desk body doesn't care how hard you train. You can lift weights, run, or do cardio several times a week and still feel tight and uncomfortable. That's because a few workouts can't cancel out hours of sitting every single day. Your body adapts to what you repeat the most. If you sit for most of your waking hours, your muscles, joints, and nervous system learn that position is normal. Eventually, that becomes your default posture. The good news is that this adaptation works in your favor too. Your body can relearn how to move properly if you give it the right signals. You don't need expensive equipment, complicated routines, or long stretching sessions. With a few simple movements, you can start reversing the damage caused by sitting and bring your body back into balance. These movements rebuild posture, wake up sleeping muscles, and help your body feel strong and capable again. Think about how much time your body spends in one position. Hours at a desk teach your hips to stay short and tight, your glutes to shut down, and your shoulders to collapse forward. Over time, your spine stiffens and your movement options shrink. Then you go to the gym and try to train on top of these patterns, wondering why your squats feel awkward, your shoulders ache, or your lower back keeps taking over. The problem isn't effort. The problem is that your foundation is off. Before we get into the movements, take a moment and be honest with yourself. How many hours do you sit each day? 6, 8, 10, or more? Most people underestimate it. Awareness is the first step because once you see the pattern, you can start to change it. The first thing we focus on is reopening the upper back and restoring shoulder movement. Sitting all day locks the upper spine and pulls the shoulders forward. Standing against a wall, you press your lower back gently into it and keep your ribs down. Your arms move slowly up and down along the wall, like you're making a snow angel. The goal is control, not speed. As you move, you'll feel the muscles of your upper back turning on, often for the first time in a long while. A couple of sets with slow, focused reps is enough to remind your body how proper posture feels. Next, we turn our attention to the glutes. Sitting all day doesn't just tighten your hips, it actually teaches your glutes to stop doing their job. When that happens, your lower back and hamstrings take over, which often leads to discomfort or pain. Lying on your back with your feet close to your hips, you push through your heels and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line. At the top, you squeeze your glutes hard and hold for a brief moment before lowering slowly. Each rep should feel intentional. This simple movement reactivates the muscles that protect your spine and support nearly every lower body movement. After that, we address shoulder control. Desk posture encourages shrugging and rounding, which weakens the muscles that stabilize your shoulder blades. In a plank position with straight arms, the only movement comes from the shoulder blades. You let them come together, then push the floor away and spread them apart. It looks simple, but it teaches your shoulders how to move with control and strength. Over time, this makes pressing movements feel smoother and reduces unnecessary tension in the neck and shoulders. The front of the hips is another area that suffers from long hours of sitting. When these muscles stay short all day, they pull on the pelvis and strain the lower back. Placing one foot behind you on a chair or couch and the other leg forward, you gently sink into a stretch while squeezing the glute of the back leg. Keeping your ribs down is key. You should feel the stretch deep in the front of the hip, not in your lower back. Holding this position for a short time on each side can make an immediate difference in how your body feels when you stand, walk, or squat. Finally, we bring movement back to the spine itself. The spine isn't meant to stay frozen in one position all day, but that's exactly what happens at a desk. On all fours, you slowly arch your back and lift your chest, then round your spine and tuck your chin. Each movement is slow and controlled, guided by your breath. This gentle flow reminds your spine that it's meant to move, not just hold you upright in a chair. The entire routine takes about 10 minutes. That's all it takes to send your body a new message. Doing this at the end of your workday or before a workout can completely change how you feel. Many people describe it as feeling lighter, taller, and more connected in their movements after just one session. Here's the real challenge. Commit to doing this every day for the next 2 weeks. Don't rush through it and don't skip days. Pay attention to how your posture changes, how your workouts feel stronger, and how your lower back starts to relax once your glutes begin doing their share of the work again. Small daily actions add up faster than intense efforts done once in a while. Most people let their job quietly shape their body without realizing it. But you don't have to accept stiffness and discomfort as normal. You can undo years of sitting in just a few minutes a day. Fixing desk body is the first step. There's still a bigger mistake that keeps most people weak no matter how much they train, and I explain it in the next video. Watch it before you fall into the same trap. 8 hours in a chair slowly reshapes your body in ways most people never notice. Hips tighten, shoulders roll forward, and the spine stiffens until movement starts to feel heavy and restricted. Even regular workouts can't fully undo this if sitting is what you repeat most each day. Your body adapts to habits, not intentions, and long hours at a desk teach it to stay stuck. The good news is that this process can be reversed. With a few focused movements, you can remind your body how proper posture and natural movement feel again. Simple calisthenics wake up inactive muscles, open tight joints, and restore balance without equipment or long sessions. When you move with intention, your shoulders regain freedom, your hips feel lighter, and your lower back stops carrying unnecessary tension. Consistency matters more than intensity. 10 mindful minutes a day can change how you stand, walk, and train. Instead of letting your job define your body, you can take control, rebuild strength where it matters, and feel capable again through small daily actions that add up fast.